Welcome to chemistry online classes. The next reaction is hydroboration and oxidation reaction. It is a conversion of alkene into alcohol, that is formation of alcohols. So the name itself is saying that there is a hydroboration and oxidation, two-step reaction. The first one is hydroboration reaction. Hydroboration. In this process, hydroboration, that means hydrogen and boron is attached to the alkene system. That reaction we call it as hydroboration. I am taking an example CH3, CH and CH2 react with borane BH3. Generally we take a diborane B2H6. When we heat it, it is converted into borane, and that borane react with alkenes, and which is formed alkyl borane CH2, CH2 and BH2. One hydrogen is attached to the secondary carbon and boron is attached to the first carbon, which is converted into alkyl boranes. We can use 3 equivalent because here 3 hydrogens are there. If we use 3 equivalent, we will get trialkyl borane. I am taking only one equivalent to explain this reaction. And here, whatever the mechanism which will follow in this one is which follows according to the Markovnikov rule and which follows a transition state mechanism. That is, I am taking a propane and here the pi bond breaking is taking place, and here hydrogen and boron bonds are involved. Here I am taking only one equivalent, only one bond I have written in this fashion. The transition state which is developed here, that is simultaneously breaking and making of bond is taking place. There is no intermediate is formed. That state we call it as transition state. Now hydrogen is attached at, this hydrogen is attached at second carbon, boron is attached at first carbon. Why this is taking place in this fashion? You can take a reverse direction also. Here you have to understand difference between the electronegativity of hydrogen and boron. Hydrogen electronegativity is 2.2 and boron electronegativity is 2.0. Now which is more electronegative among the hydrogen and boron? Hydrogen is more electronegative than boron. And hydrogen boron bond is polarization toward the hydrogen side, which is more electronegative, and boron is positive, partial positive charge and partial negative charge. According to Markovnikov rule, the negative part of the reagent is added to the less number of hydrogen containing double bond. That's why hydrogen is attached at this second carbon and boron is attached at first carbon, gives alkyl boranes. And this mechanism which is follows according to transition state, which cannot form any intermediate in this process. So similarly, when you look at oxymercuration demercuration reaction, there we have seen there is a mercurinium ion which is formed, that is via carbocation formation, but here it is completely going into the transition state. As a result, we got a alkyl boranes. And here the reaction maybe we can take in this fashion also. Here 3 hydrogens are there, I have attached only one. You can take a 3 equivalent of alkenes. If I take a 3 equivalent of alkenes and I get 3 alkyl is attached to the boron and these hydrogens are removed. So these we call it as trialkyl borane, and here alkyl group is propyl. I can say tripropyl borane. This is the first step reaction. The second one is oxidation reaction. Once it is formed a alkyl boranes or trialkyl boranes, it It is subjected for the oxidation in presence of hydrogen peroxide and alkaline medium, which is converted into alcohols. So I am taking trialkyl borane 3. Oxidation in presence of hydrogen peroxide, alkaline medium, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. So here the carbon boron bond is cleaved. The oxidation takes place here. Here the bond cleavage takes place between carbon and boron. The OH group is attached at this carbon center, converted into alcohol CH2 CH2, and this carbon OH group is attached, which forms alcohol. So this is the hydroboration and oxidation reaction. It is a conversion of alkene into alcohol. Let's take some examples. The first example I am taking, I go with the first propene CH2. If I do hydroboration oxidation, that is BH3, and second step is oxidation in presence of hydrogen peroxide in basic medium. How we have to write a product is, here also we have to look at double bond, and we have to add a H plus and OH minus according to the anti-Markovnikov rule. That is, negative part of the reagent is added to the more number of carbon. If we add, we get a hydroboration oxidation product. CH2 hydrogen we are adding, it is converted into CH2OH. This is 1 propanol. Similarly, if I take a butene, 1 butene I am taking. If I do hydroboration oxidation reaction, what product we get? We have to look at the double bond, and OH is attached at more number of hydrogen containing carbon. CH2 CH2, this hydrogen is attached at the center, and which is converted into CH2OH. 1 2 3 4. Which product we got? Butanol. 1 butanol. Similarly, you can write for this. The first step is hydroboration oxidation. What product which gives. So this is a simple way to write a hydroboration oxidation reaction product.